We have some news just coming in. At this point in time, security has been beefed up for Nabana March. Over 6,000 policemen deployed for the march. West Bengal chaps the march to protest against the RG Kar case. According to sources in the Kolkata police headquarters, at least 25 officers of the rank of Deputy Commissioner have been assigned to prevent the march from heading towards Nabana. There are aluminium guard walls at 5 places in Kolkata and in Howrah. Iron barricades are being constructed at 5 places on the way to Nabana towards Howrah. Barricades are being wielded. Large iron pipes by digging holes in the streets to prevent them from being pulled down by the protesters. Water cannons are being put in place. Vajra vehicles have been summoned. Going across to Shreya Chatterjee, getting in all the details as far as the bandobast here is concerned. Shreya, take us to what is expected, what time really is the march. There is heavy police and security bandobast as far as this particular march is concerned.
Well, yes, Neha, this protest is going to be to the Secretariat, which is essentially called the Nabanno. This is against the agitation against the Bengal government right now, given that most in the state feel that there is yet to be a lot more to be done in the case in the RG Kar, because that's the reason this call has been given. Essentially, this call was also a call given by the civil society, but yesterday the protesting doctors, they have distanced from this particular march that is now going to be happening at around 1 p.m. Heavy police deployments made. There have been guardrails and all kind of barricades that have been put in place. Robocops will be there. Water cannons all deployed on the route to Nabanno. There will be multiple assembling points. There will be an assembling point somewhere in central, north and in the regions of Howrah, and then they will be essentially marching towards Nabanno. In all likelihood, it's almost impossible, given the kind of security arrangements Kolkata police has made for the protesters, to reach Nabanno at all. But clearly, there is a possibility of a situation that could spiral out of hand. This is why the Kolkata police also addressed a press conference yesterday, suggesting all possible measures that they will have to take in order to contain the situation, if any, that rises from today's march, which is scheduled in the afternoon.
All right, scheduled in the afternoon, and heavy fortress is what Nabanno has turned into right now.